Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Google Workspace so you can start using your professional email. So, of course, you have to make sure that to listen carefully so that you will be able to actually do all of the things that I will be explaining. And first, you will have to log into your Google Workspace admin console, which is right here. So just go ahead and click that and then log into your account. Then, after logging in, you will see the domain section. So just go ahead and click that as well. And then click Manage Domains and add a domain. And then after that, you will just have to enter your GoDaddy domain. And then you will just have to click Continue. Then, Google will give you a TXT record for verification, and you will just have to copy it. Then, after that, you will just have to open a new tab and then go ahead and log in with your GoDaddy account. And after logging in, you will just have to go to your product section. So it should be right here if you've already logged in. And then you will have to scroll to TXT records and then click add. And then you will just have to paste the TXT record from Google. And after all that, you will have to save the record and go back to your Google Workspace and click verify. And once you're verified, Google Workspace will guide you to update MX records in GoDaddy to activate email. And that's basically just it. Your GoDaddy domain is now connected to your Google Workspace. And please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.